NASA will finally let astronauts bring iPhones to space. For decades, NASA's standard-issue gear for documenting life in orbit has looked more like a museum exhibit than a modern studio, with astronauts often tethered to bulky 2016 DSLRs and decade-old GoPro cameras that lack the connectivity and sleekness of the devices in your pocket. But that's about to change as NASA finally loosens its notoriously rigid tech rules, clearing the way for modern consumer devices like the iPhone to travel beyond Earth. Why allowing iPhones in space is really about reforming NASA's processes. For Isaac Mann, approving iPhones goes beyond hardware. It targets requirement bloat, layers of bureaucracy that keep space technology outdated. By accelerating approval of modern devices, he's challenging decades-old protocols that dictate what can fly and how innovation reaches orbit. Isaac Mann said revisiting these processes will help NASA pursue higher-value science in orbit and on the moon. Previously, missions like Artemis II relied on cameras from 2016 or older. With modern smartphones now cleared, astronauts may capture lunar views far beyond what earlier technology allowed. The history of smartphones in space. While modern smartphones are only now earning NASA approval, they've flown before. 2 iPhone 4S rode the final Space Shuttle Atlantis mission in 2011. For years, crews relied on specialized tablets, though personal phones flew on Polaris, Dawn, and Axiom space trips to the International Space Station, proving smartphones could handle space without decade-long testing.